Yo, 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 how's it going, guys? Welcome, welcome. Thanks for waiting. How many have we got here? We've got 10 here, nice. Let's see who's here, guys. I'll share my screen now. And we'll get this started. 1 second. I think the, What we'll do, we'll move this really quickly here. We'll move my head. No, I think my head's good there. Maybe a little bit smaller. There we go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah, we got a few things to add to the oil. I think the overlay is looking good. I just need to add a chat box, and we're good. But yeah, looking sweet. I'm watching this 30 clock. 1 second, let me turn this music down a little bit. Sorry guys, I was getting ahead of myself then. Yeah, I'm looking for some. I've got this range here. I'll break it down in a second. We've got 8 minutes to wait, so we've got time. I'll be breaking the charts down in 2 or 3 minutes, guys. Let's drop a like. Let's see who's here. Brian, good morning. Natalie, Nancy, and Wes, welcome, welcome. Yeah, good morning. Cheers for the likes, guys. Just checking the overall connection. Yeah, the connection's good, guys. Good. Let me get this music playing at a good stage. There we go. Ismail, welcome, bro. Welcome. Yeah, guys. I need to add the chat box, and then we're good. I've deleted all the stuff from the side. I am going to put a little. I'm going to put the record near the bottom. Near the bottom down here. Down here, you can see we're at the bottom here. I'm going to put the record down here, and then yeah, I think we're good. Like I say, get the chat box bottom left corner, make a nice clear chat box, and we're good. But I'm liking this overlay for now. It's clean. That's all I want. It's all I want. It's clean. Hi, how's it going? Welcome. Yeah, guys, I'll break gold down. We've got 7 minutes to wait until a potential entry, so let's see. We've got 7 minutes to wait for a potential entry, so there's no rush. I'll break it down in a couple of minutes when more join. See what happens. Hopefully we don't track sideways. So, 15. The actual 15-minute did reject the level. But I'm looking for sells below now. We had that rejection. Now we've had that initial rejection from this level. I'm looking for sells below. Clear as day targets. For me personally, I'm looking to take gold. I think today we come and hit back. We come and revisit 2877. These lows, they'll be great targets, and then if we can get a runner further down, then perfect. But yeah, I'm going to be watching this level for sells below. If we can get that push down below this level, I'm going to be looking for sells. And for buys for me will be back above here. 1 second. Yeah, back above here. This area. You know, you can have your level here at 90s, 90 to 92. If we're going to be bullish, we're going to start closing above multiple levels, guys. So you don't really need to be looking at that too much. But yeah, I'm liking this range, and this low to get smashed today. At some point, this low should get taken today. If it doesn't, very good targets for tomorrow. I'm okay, all good, good stuff, Have you traded much this week? 1 sec, guys, 1 sec. We're back. Yeah, let me just get... Cheers for the lights, guys. Smashed it already. 10 already, nice. Let me just get the chat up on the side here on my other monitor. But yeah, welcome to everybody who's here. Clean ranges today. Clean ranges, which is good to see. I haven't taken anything, but the reason being as well, the reason being is because the week for me has been decent already. The week's already been decent. There has been a few entries that I could have took. I was looking at this 30-minute. A few of the community members took this 30-minute, and it's absolutely fine entry. But the only thing I would say is that you are selling into a level. I would have liked it to close a little bit stronger, but it's still a valid entry. It's still closed below that main level on the 30 here. Can you see? Still did close below, but I'd probably waited a little bit. But I probably would have had a little stab, to be honest. If I was on the chart, I would have had a stab at it. Vinny, how's it going? Welcome, and yeah, Wes, thank you for the overlay. If anybody... I've got a few things to add to the overlay, but it's looking clean. And it's bigger. The screen's bigger now, so you can see my full chart. Yeah, this 30-minute, guys, if this 30-minute can close bearish below this level, I'm going to be shorting gold into these lows. That would be perfect. That would be a perfect entry. I like this 15 to touch the highs, but it's not necessary. If no entry on the 30, I'll just take the hourly. But yeah, cheers for the likes, everyone. Smashing it. Appreciate everyone for that. Yeah, only not Wednesday. Good stuff, Am. How's your week been overall? Profitable, Am, or break even, or even a loss? Cheers for the lights, guys. Smashing it. Look at that. The reactions. Nice. For me today, we jumped on London. We jumped on for London here. We've had two decent little breakouts. I'd say here, the first decent breakout and the second one. So if you traded either of them two breakouts, I wouldn't be really bothered if you've broke even, little loss. Like, you've traded in the best possible place for the day. Hey Joe, hope you're doing good. I'm good, Tyler. How are you? Do you think that gold will take out liquidity 28.64? What I'm going to do is I'm going to be looking for sells below this level here. Okay, I'm going to be looking for sells below 28.83. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to manage my position and take my partials at these lows. And then if it wants to come and take the larger liquidity lows, then that's perfect. Look, you've got more liquidity at 28.64. But I'm not going to have that as my overall target, no. I'm going to take out the first liquidity, I'll manage my trade, go break even, do what I need to do, take my little piece for the day, and if it wants to run, it runs. But yeah, you are correct, we have got more liquidity at 28.64, and I do, 28.64, and I do think if we break below this level here, you probably are going to run into that. That's your next target. But it's all on this 30-minute closure for me. If not this candle, the next 30. I need to get back below here. But I keep my charts clean. I do know there's liquidity there, but I want to keep my chart cleaner. So this is fine for me. Guys, almost 600 subs as well. It's crazy. Like, insane stuff. I am bearish on gold intraday, but I'm bullish. What are your views? I don't really have a bias. Never. I try to keep out of this bias sort of trading style. I'll have a look at the daily. Don't get me wrong, I always have a look at the daily or the H4, 4 hourly, to see what sort of we're doing on the H4 and daily, look, I understood that we're in a range here. I understood that we're in a little bit of a range here too. But am I actually basing a trade off the H4 bias? No. I'll buy back above here into my liquidity. I'll sell below here into my liquidity. I'm open to both sides. The gold really doesn't care about your bias. Gold doesn't care what you think it's going to do intraday on the monthly time frame. Like, look at this. Intraday, this big red bearish candle is bearish. Gold doesn't care. What did gold do? Flew to all-time high again. People, like, get the bias out of trading. Take the bias out of it. Like, the market really doesn't care about your bias. It will chew your bias and spit it out. It really, really doesn't care. And that's something I learned after 4 years. And after I stopped trading with a bias. And I understood that just trade what the market's showing me. That's when I became profitable. Literally, the market will chew your bias up and spit it out and leave you for dead. It really doesn't care. And that's a problem with a lot of traders who trade now. A lot of traders, and I'm seeing it a lot more. A lot of traders will be so stuck on one side of the market, and price will be telling them, like, they'll start going, no. And this is nobody in here. This is just an example. People go around and buying here. I'm buying here at this level. I'm buying, and my bias is long into these liquidity areas here. What does gold do? Gold pushes and breaks below this level. Oh, I'm still bullish because my bias says I'm bullish. I'm longing again. Oh, we've just taken these lows. We've pushed even lower. I'm buying again because my bias is long and I'm attached to this node. Like, drop the ego. What's gold telling you? Absolutely nothing now. If it breaks below here, it's going to go down. If it breaks back above here, it's going to push up. In the nicest way possible, guys. That's just something that's going to speed up your journey so much. I'm not saying it to act like a... I don't want to sound harsh or sound like a dick, but... I'm trying to say it as nice as possible. Like, do you really think gold cares about what we think? No. If gold doesn't care about what I think, I'll just trade what it shows me. And I'll continue to do that because it's worked for the last 3 years. But yeah, welcome everybody. How many we got here? 20, nice. Guys, let's see who's here. Drop a comment if you've just joined. Welcome to the stream. If you've got any questions, feel free to put them in, let me know. Bam, bam. I hope you're liking the background music, guys. I just chose a free background music. Hope it's good. Oh, get out of that. I came on a little bit later today because US has been breaking out like every time I jump off stream, so I came on 30 minutes later. I hope you all noticed. I'm trying to catch positions on live too, you know. You know, yesterday I jumped off. 30 minutes later, it broke out to the downside and I caught a trade on sells. So, like I say, I won't stick. I'm not going to sit in the range and just sit here because it could just range for 2 hours. I'll see what it does and we'll go from there. But in total agreement, Brian. Nice one. Good. Nice one, mate. Thank you, Joe. Experienced traders gives good advice. What one needs to follow. Yeah, 100% as well. Like Vinny, if I can give anybody like a trader who's struggling, any piece of advice, it literally would be stop trading with an ego. Like, stop thinking you need to catch the next 15 moves. Stop thinking about that. Think about what the market's showing you now. Okay? Because who cares about what tomorrow's going to do? Nobody. Like, trade what... We're not trading what tomorrow's going to do. We're trading now. What this price action in front of us is doing. So, if it pushes down and breaks my level, I'll sell. Breaks back above, I'll buy. Like... And that's where most traders get it wrong. Seriously, it is like most strategies, and my strategy prevents this so much, and that's why I've got the concepts like I do. Because like 90% of traders, if it's on YouTube Live, if it's on TikTok, Twitter, whatever you watch your content on, 90 to 95% of strategies will have an entry because the trading with what the overall bias is for the day. And yeah, that can be good. You can still make that work, but a lot of the time they'll be trading with a bias, thinking that it's bullish for the day, and then they'll be buying here, buying here, buying here, and really they're not trading what they see. If gold pushes and breaks below this low with volume, what's that saying? It's not saying that it wants to go up. It's telling me that it wants to come into these lows. And their ego gets in the way because they think that they're going to be correct with buys 3 or 4 times, and they get burnt. And yeah, it might work for like 2% of traders or 1% of traders who trade that style, who know that they can get through it all, but 95% of people can't trade that way. Their ego gets in the way. I love this way Joe trades. I always trading trend and missed so many good opposite. Yeah, 100%. Like, right, look at the daily. Look at this daily candle, okay? I don't care what daily candle you look at, if it's the biggest green candle you've ever seen, okay? Like, we'll pick the biggest green candle ever. Look at this weekly. Look at this weekly candle. Huge push to the upside. But then literally the week after, you've pushed down 800 ticks. Like, anybody just looking for buys after them green bullish weekly candles? Like, look at this. Huge push to the upside, push to the downside. Most people, my bias is sells. Well, no, they're literally the week after pushed up 1,500 ticks. You've just said no to 1,500 ticks, not me. I'm trading it all the way up. But yeah, cheers for everyone who's tuning in today. See if gold can actually give us something. Let's see if it can break out. Let's see if we can break out of this range. I'd like it to. Let me just resend that link out. I sent it out early. Refreshed it, nice. Yes, guys, if you've got any questions, let's see them. How many have we got here today? We've got 18 right now. Yeah, gold's tracking sideways, but we'll see. Goldie, every time we jump on, just track sideways. Look, I come on, sideways. Cheers, mate. Appreciate it so much. Look at that. There's nothing to be doing there. I'll tell you that. There's absolutely nothing to be doing there. And this is the patience you need. You know, you only need 1 to 2 trades per day. I don't care what anybody says. You only need 1 to 2 trades per day. And like I say, you'll see. If you backtest the full candle for the day, the full daily candle, if you backtest that full day, you might have 10 to 20 opportunities that you could take a trade through the day, but you only need 1 to 2. And that's something I remind myself, like, yeah, I might miss 1 or 2 trades being more patient, but there's going to be like another 10 opportunities in that day. You know? What's that? Right, we're back. Sorry about that, guys. Joe, am I in any positions? No, I'm not. I'm not taking trades in this. Like, look at the last 6 candles: bearish, bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish, now bullish. This is the clearest range. Look at that. It's literally like opposite. I'd love to, guys. I would love to stay and sit here for 3 hours, but it's just teaching bad practice. If I sit here for 3 hours in a range, what have you got? What's everyone else gonna do here? Sit here in a range, and what are you gonna do? What are you gonna get in the habit of there? Sitting in a range, and I don't want people to do that. I want people to set an alert at this level, and wait 30, 40 minutes for the alert to go off. Joe, am I in any position? Oh, sorry, I've just answered that. I'm trying to learn patience with this strategy 100%. That's what it's all about. Patience pays. And I'm going to give it this 30-minute candle closure. You know, we've got 15 minutes here. If we can get below here in 15 minutes, then perfect. If this 30-minute candle, guys, gets below this level here, then sells are valid, because you've taken this liquidity. We'd need to get below this level now. Okay. then I'll probably look at buys if we start closing above some of these areas here. But for buys, there's nothing just yet. We've got to wait for buys. Let's have a look where the range is on that indicator. I don't use this indicator, but it's interesting to see where the levels are. Let's zoom out a little bit. Nowhere near. This is why indicators are not good. Even though it's interesting to see where it places them, that's why I don't use them. My levels are way better. Oh, Fabio, how's it going? Yeah, guys, we have got unemployment claims and GDP at 1:30 in 15 minutes. So we'll watch that pass and then I'll probably head off. Gold always ranges before news. In the next 5 minutes, we're going to get some volume. 10 minutes before unemployment claims, you get some volume. Well, 10 to 5 minutes before unemployment claims. You're probably going to start breaking out of this range in the next 5 to 10 minutes. And then it'll give you direction for the day then. It's just staying patient. We'll stay on, see what news does in this 15 minutes, and then if it just ruins the full range and it literally flies up into liquidity, then just gotta stay patient and come back in an hour. It's just one of them, guys. You just gotta maintain that patience all the time. I know that I'm gonna get 10 trades a week. If I take 5 now, then it's all good. Got another 5 to go for the rest of the week. Would you ever start an impulse entry signal service? I was thinking of adding, but I'd need an MT5. I was thinking of adding an MT5 for my entries. And then all my entries go onto a Discord channel, but I'm not about signals. I'm an educator. People can just tune into the lives, see the results that we get in the community, see the results that we get on live, and they can see that if they learn this strategy, they're going to be doing very, very well. If they learn it and they stay patient and consistent. Alert set, yeah, good, Natalie. Nice work. Do you trade NFP? No, I trade maybe like 20 minutes after. But what you tend to find with red news, especially NFP, is it'll take the liquidity and it'll just ruin the next hour of trading. But I'm not here to guess what news is going to do. That's why I don't trade news. Like, I'm not here to guess what the next week on gold's going to do. I'm here to react to what it shows me. And trading news is not reacting, it's guessing, because news is 50-50. Like, yeah, you can have a little bit of an edge with it, understanding. If you understand news, but my strategy is not a news strategy. My strategy is trading technical and pure price action. But yeah, cheers for everyone for tuning in on a rangy news day. It's good to see that everyone still wants that value. But if I were, I'd never do signals. Guys, people know, if you're in the Discord community, people know that I post, if I can, I'll say I'm getting in on this trade. And I'll let everybody know if I'm going to enter. I'd say 80% of the time, you will see my entry in the community. If you don't, then it's because it happened too fast. There's been a couple of trades this week where I've not been able to get it in because it's just happened too fast, and that's not my fault. It just is what it is. But 80% of the time that I'm taking a trade, I will try and put it in. But I'll tell you something, I'm putting that trade in before I let anybody know. I'd say the majority of the Discord community are taking the same trade because they've learnt the concepts. That's the thing as well. If you actually learn the education that I give in the community, you'll be taking the same trades as me anyway. Yeah, I'd be watching this hourly to see what it did. We'll see what news does in 9 minutes anyway. Bam, bam, bam. See, exactly. Unemployment claims. Look what we're doing now. That volume stepping in. Exactly. But instantly pushed up. Yes, guys, get your questions in before this news. Like I say, we'll see what this news does, but it's 7 minutes. 7 minutes away. Bam, 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 bam. Oh. Move this music on. It's a bit. But yeah, we got 6 minutes for this news, guys. What's everyone thinking? Bullish, bearish news? What's everyone think? But yeah, I would like to catch something. I would like to catch something out of this range. Look at this range. It's been respected very well. Look, resistance. Look at this. Look how clean this range is. Very, very clean. Yo, Thomas, how's it going, mate? Welcome. Hope you're good, bro. Is this your first stream, Thomas? First time tuning in to the YouTube? Let me just get my charger, guys. 2 minutes. Yeah, we're good. Sound. Phone's about to die. Can't be having that, can we? Bearish. Potentially. Depends which way we break out. Depends which way we break out. Do I make more money from trading or selling a course? Well, I was profitable trading on my own for about 3 years. So, you can work that out, bro. Bearish. Natalie, is that what you think? But yeah, I consistently make more money over the year for sure. Yeah, guys, we got 20 here. Nice. Yeah, we've got news, guys, in 3 minutes. If you want to join the free Telegram, guys, I've just put the link in there into the chat. You can join there. That's where all my links go for my YouTube lives, etc. I'll pin it as well so people can see it. Ba-ba-dam bam. Yes, welcome, guys. Welcome. Cheers for the likes too. How many likes are we on? 14, not bad. Sure, we can get a few more. 24 here, though, guys. Welcome. Let's see who's here. Stick a comment. Stick a message in the chat, guys, if you just joined. Yeah, we've got news, guys, in 1 minute. Stay patient. Don't be looking to blow accounts right now. It's just not worth it, okay? Do I trade on Top Step? Yes, I do, mate. I trade on Top Step. Yeah, I'd like to see this breakout. We've got news in a second, guys. Cheers for the likes as well. I see everyone spamming it. Here we go, guys. News is on. I think we're gonna break out and take these highs potentially. Guys, put in the chat what is everybody else trading? Prop firms, personal, what accounts are who they trading with? Let's see what everyone's saying. Here we go. Some volume is good. Nothing crazy though. I'll tell you what I am gonna do. We'll do a poll. Top step, good stuff, Aaron. My top step this week on 2 accounts on my expresses I've made. Let's have a look what we've made this week. I posted it in the community. $967 on one express, 200 on the other, and on the other linked one, 960. Yeah, so we made about 2k. Over the last couple of days on two accounts. I see markets weak for the US dollar. Gold could go up. Yeah, potentially. I want to get below here. I need to get back below this level to sell. I can't be trading within this range. Nice one. Wes, how's it going? Nah, nothing, mate. You've not really missed much. Still within this range. It's really doing nothing. I'm waiting for a closure below here. See what happens. Yeah, it could go up. We'll see. See how it reacts from this level now. This would be a sufficient enough liquidity grab here. The green candle took these highs and we haven't closed back above this high. So this would be a fine liquidity grab. All we need to see is a closure below here. But yeah, you're 100% right. You need to, like Naz said, you need to make sure that it's not going to come down and take this liquidity and push higher. So the 15-minute closure here is key. What time do you trade and how much a day? How much? What? How many trades I take? I trade for like 3 hours in London session, 3 hours in US. In terms of, what do you mean by how much a day, Thomas? If you're asking me how much money I make per day, you need to get out of that mindset. That's the wrong mindset. Here we go. Look at that 5 minute, what a candle. It's going to come swipe them lows now, I'll tell you that. But in terms of what time do I trade, I'll trade from like 7:30 till about 10:30, and then I'll trade US session, which is like from 12 till 3, sometimes a little bit after. But yeah, we're taking that liquidity here, but we've still got that double bottom to take, so I'm still open. I just need to know what way we're going to close. If we close back within this range, guys, I'll just stay active in the Discord community. Pig FX, FX Pig. Is that FXify, Nancy? Is that who you were saying, FXify? I'd love this to get back above here now. If we get back above here, we're on for longs. But that's like one of the first questions you get, like, from people who don't trade. How much do you make per day? It's like, ask me how much do I make per month? How much time a day? Oh yeah, about 6 hours, but I'm not looking at the charts for 6 hours. I set alerts, mate, Thomas. I set alerts, so if I wasn't on live with you now, I'd have an alert set here and an alert set here, and I wouldn't really look at the chart until then. If I were getting questions in the Discord community, yeah, of course, I'd be answering them and looking at the charts to answer the questions. But do I recommend people just watch? Look at this range from 12 to 1:30. This hasn't done anything for an hour and a half. Do I recommend like watching this chop? No. What I do recommend is putting an alert here, and waiting for it to break out. And that's what I do 70 to 80% of the time. Yeah, that's a clean range for me. Oh yeah, I forgot to do the poll. One sec, I'll do it now. I reminded myself. Give me 30 seconds. I'll do the poll. I'm going to do, like I say, we do a poll every time I'm on live. We'll say how's your day? How's your day been? Let's say up, down, break even. Okay, there we go. I've done the poll, guys. If it shows, it should do. Yeah, it should be at the top now. I'm personally break even for the day. I'm break even for the day, guys. I'm not taking anything just yet, but we've had a great week. I'm in no rush. So how much? Oh, so has that created a new range in between the original range? No, this is just the same range, Nancy. We've just rejected this level. You wouldn't just push this down. Well, you could, and you could have your range here now, but I'm having my range here because I know that if we break and close below this level, we're going to continue lower. Because all this is just a wick rejection. Yeah, I'll see how this 15 closes. If it closes back within this range, I'll wrap it up here. And I'll just stay active in the community, see if we can catch something there. But we've got 7 minutes left yet. I just don't want to sit here when we could potentially just be ranging for the next 30, 40 minutes. But this week's been good already, like 96 ticks profit. Like 96 ticks profit a week is absolutely fine. You know, that's set for like a 400 tick month. Obviously, it's not going to be a 400 tick month, but you know, start of February I took like 4 trades in 1 week, and that's quite low for me. Like I normally take like 10 per week. Would you ever consider the Andrew Tate? No. Community model? No way. Self-improvement plus financial freedom? No. Andrew Tate's model is smart. Obviously, his whole model is based on different sources of income. So if people want to do copywriting, he'll get all them people to teach. Even trading. It's just signals. It did have trading at one point. I don't know if he's got it now. But it was never like a strategy in a community where they're learning the same thing. It was just signals. You name it. Drop shipping, he's got a different community for that. Like, it's all in one big thing, but it's like a money making. So he gets like people from every single like money making way, if you want to call it. But would I ever do that? No way. I'm a trader. I'm not a drop shipper trader who copyrights at the same time. No. But he doesn't teach it all. He's just the owner, like the face of it. Like he's got people within who teach them different things like copywriting, dropshipping, etc. That's what I think anyway. Because if I did look at the website like 6 months ago, and there was like 10 different ways you can make money on the thing. So I don't know if he teaches you all of it, or you just pick one. I don't know how it works. I've never actually been in it. NQ gonna go to the moon. Let's have a look. Ooh. Ooh, that played out somehow. Yeah. Ooh, yeah, we got some liquidity to take there too. It'd be good for a challenge trade to take longs on the next closure. You're probably going to take these highs before you push down any further. You know, you've whipped all these lows out here, whipped them lows there, whipped these lows here. Did you take them? You didn't. But you've taken enough liquidity. You're probably going to push into these highs here before you reverse. If you are going to reverse, that is. Oof, what is going on with my chart? Must have updated from my computer too. Sorry about that. Yeah, let's see how this 15 closes. Wow, I hate when that happens. It's done it before. If I turn my computer on and then my laptop at the same time, it doubles the drawings. Yeah, that news candle. Yeah. It like gapped down, didn't it? Gapped down and then pushed back up. Is that right? Yeah, it gapped to here. Yeah, let's see what gold's going to do here. We've got... Yeah, I need to get back below... here. 28.84. Chase for lights, guys. Nice one. Okay, so down 20%, break even. Most people are up. Nice work, guys. Just ended the poll there. Bam badam bam badam badam badam. Yeah, the only thing I'm going to be waiting for now is this closure, if it's going to give me it. Bam ba ba da ba dum. Yeah, but Arthur, what you're talking about is financial improvement, like different ways of making money. Like, I'm a trader. I'm going to teach my... Yeah, I'm here for trading, Arthur. It's hard enough to get in. Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, I don't care about dropshipping, to be honest. Or whatever else they teach people. Like, I'm a trader. This is what I've been... My sort, like, I've been living off trading for 3 years now, so I'm gonna show people how I make money. That's through trading, not through anything else. Yeah, stocks. I might start sharing some stocks that I'm in. I've made, like, over the last 3 months, I've made a decent amount of money on stocks and crypto, probably enough for the year. But I'm gonna stick to what I've been doing making money off the last 3 years, which is trading gold. But yeah, stocks and crypto have made a decent bag over the last 3 to 6 months, I'll tell you that. And to be honest with you, like 40 I've got 40... Like, I've got 40 members or 45 members in the Discord community. If it stays like that, 45 members for 3 years, that's absolutely fine for me. Like, that's absolutely fine. I know I'm going to make money from trading. So if it means, like, if I added different things that aren't trading related, and I'm guaranteed to get another 100 members, I wouldn't do it. I just wouldn't. I don't. It wouldn't bother me that I'm missing out on 100, for example, 100 members because I'm sticking to trading. No, I'll stick to trading. If I stay at 45 members, that's absolutely fine. Like my goal isn't to get as many members as possible. People want to join the community and learn what I do. Perfect. What I mean is, you would teach trading off singles. Other members of self-improvement teaching such as health. Oh yeah, that's fair, Arthur. I'm actually gonna I'm putting a psychology and mindset section into the Discord, and I'm gonna record some videos on mindset, which is good. But it's gonna be trading related. It's not gonna be. It's gonna be mindset and psychology trading related. 45 members today, 1,000 the next. Well, if people want to join. Yeah, that's it for me. Like, oh, look at gold now. That's it for me. Like, 45 members is good. Like, I'm gonna stick with trading regardless how many people. I'd never just move to something that I don't do personally to get more members in a community for more money. No, I make plenty trading. I would hate having loads going stuff. Yeah, it's good. I've kept it to an amount that's absolutely fine. Like, in the community, we've got analysis, like my analysis for the day, all the education, all the chats, and the crypto. And guys, don't worry, it's not going to change. Don't worry, everything's going to stay the same. The value's going to stay the same. I'm going to be active the same. Nothing will change. The value in the community, and nothing will ever change. I might add a psychology section, but that's not going to do anything. I've just left the community like that. Yeah, I know. Yeah, but like I said, they were teaching different strategies. I'd never teach like 6 different strategies in a community. No, I'm teaching what I do, and that's what it is. But what Anton or King Arthur's saying is just say maybe that you could do a section where there's like self improvement, and yeah, that's a fair thing to add. But like I say, I'll probably just add a mindset and psychology section. We can have like a chat in there. We can have my videos of me giving some advice on, well, not advice, some thoughts on psychology and how to trade with good mindset. And then maybe some like books. I don't know. We can think about it. Arthur, I think you and values. No, because the main thing with the community is me is to. I don't care. Like, it's growing, of course, but um, like trading will always be my main source of income because I'll always be scaling my trading no matter what. I'll never stop pushing for more. And obviously, the value with the community will never change. It'll always be the same. But yeah, what's Goldie gonna be doing here? Like, the audio's good with the new mic. Cheers, Wes. Appreciate it. Yeah, I just need to put the music in the background. I just need to put the music in the background of the thingy of the OBS, and all good. But I'm happy with the overlay. I just want to put my stream chat maybe on the right or the left. But yeah, that's the goal for me, guys. Like, the value for me will never change. I'll always make sure, as long as I have the community, the value stays exactly the same from day one till the final day. Like, I'll always be as active as possible. I'll always be posting the same trade breakdowns. I'll always be updating everybody, staying active with the Zoom sessions. But yeah, like I say, it has grown recently, but the value hasn't changed. Some half-risk 30-minute entries here. Yeah, that's the thing. That's what it's been. That's what it's been. I've never with the community, people understand the value that I give, like the strategy that we teach. It'll grow itself, and it has done. You know, it will do. But I don't exactly like advertise it like half of these groups on Instagram and stuff, like TikTok, purely just like buying advertisements and join my group, like half these influencers who start trading and stuff. You'll always be a legend. Thank you for all that you do. Appreciate that, mate. Nice one. I really do appreciate that. Cheers for the kind words. And that's the difference. And that's the difference between me and half of these TikTok influencers who trade. Like, they need you to sign up to their affiliate link or their broker for them to make money. Like, with me, I don't need to advertise. Like, people can join and learn from me, and it's great to have the group that we have. We've got an insane community, but I make money from trading. They don't make money from trading. You know, trading, investing, crypto. They make, yeah, they might make money from in other areas, but it's not from trading like they say with the signals that they send out. No way. Recommendation is always the best, yeah, for sure. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head off. But yeah, you're 100% right. Recommendations, organically. People want to join, they can join. If they want to learn how we do things, great. But yeah, like I say, it's not my main income like half of these influencers who it is. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna head off. I'll update everybody what I'm looking for. I'm gonna be waiting to see if we can get back above this level. Okay, if we can get back above here, I'm going to be looking for some buys on gold. This next 30-minute candle, if it gets back above here in the next 5-10 minutes, you can, I'm personally going to be looking for buys. You know, we've rejected this level, sweeping the liquidity. I'd probably be looking to buy back above 28.94, okay? So that's what I'm going to be waiting for. I'm going to head off because I have got a few different calls to do in the next couple of hours, and I do need to get off right now, but I'll see you all tomorrow anyway, guys. It's been a pleasure as always. We've been on for an hour and 15 minutes, so I'll see you all tomorrow for Friday's session on YouTube Live. Cheers for tuning in. Wait for a closure of this range, and really don't be doing anything until that closes. Look at it. Gold's literally super choppy in here. Look at that. Super choppy. Wait for your closes, and I will see you all tomorrow. Discord members, I'll see you in the community now. I appreciate everyone.